students. So today let us see on how to find the sum of an arithmetic progression. So this is an AP, right? So from now on I think I might use the word AP, and you know what AP means, right? Arithmetic progression. So this is an AP 1 2 3 4 5 6, and how to find the sum? It is very easy. I mean, you can just sit down and calculate. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 3 6, plus 4 10, plus 5 15, plus 6 21. So that was not that difficult. But suppose there were more terms, that would be a little difficult. So it would be a great help, a very great help, if you had a formula, right? And there is a formula to find sum of n terms. Okay, so there's n terms. You can say how much ever terms you want, and you could find the sum of n terms of an AP. Okay, of an AP, and that is equal to. Before I tell you what the formula is, let us try to find out what that formula is. Okay. So I'm going to, for starting, I'm going to represent the numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9 like this. 1 block 1, 2 blocks 2, 1 2 3, 3 blocks, 4 blocks, 5 blocks, 6 blocks, 7 blocks, 8 blocks, 9 blocks. These represent the numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. It's an AP. The differences, common difference is 1, right? It's an AP. Now I'm going to take a copy of this thing. Okay, now I want to look at something. You see this gap here? The gap is increasing as each numbers get smaller. The gap is increasing with respect to the last thing. The gap is increasing. This gap is increasing just like the numbers are increasing, right? As 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 increases, as the numbers increase, the gap decreases, right? 1 has the largest gap, 2 has a little smaller, 3 smaller, 4 smaller, 5 gap gets very small, 6 7 8 9 there is no gap. Do you see that? So if I rotate this and if I bring it up, it should fix properly, and it does fix. Do you see that? Now so this is the first term, the blue square, that is the first term, and all this big thing, the purple one, was the last term, right? 1 and 9. So, and all these terms are the same, right? I mean, all these are comes in the same line. That means it has the same size. So I can represent them as same. I can represent them in the equal way. First term plus last term. First term plus last term. Right? Because you saw that everything came together as a square, proper square. I mean, as a rectangle, proper rectangle. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So all the 9 terms I have put here. Now this is the first term plus last term, right? Blue is the first term and the purple is the last term. So you see the first term plus last term, the total sum of this. I'm trying to add all this up. Okay, I'm trying to add all this up. That is the one column is first term plus last term. Then that multiplied by how much columns are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. In this case there are 9 columns. But suppose there are n number. To generalize it, we can say how many columns are there, that many times you have to multiply. So n into first term plus last term, n into the column, each column, right? Now that is equal to what? Sum? Nope, no, it is 2 into sum. Why? Because remember, I took a copy of whatever we had. I took a copy and then I joined that with the original thing. So I had twice the value. I have doubled the value now. So I'll divide that in divide, and that 2 I'll bring down, and this is my sum. Students, do you see this? This is the formula. That is the formula for an AP. Sum of the terms of an AP is n by 2 into first term plus last term. That's all. Do you see how it all came? So I just don't want you to by heart it, so that is why I made you see the visual, made you see a visual proof of why it is happening. So the first term, I can call it, okay, by the way, sum of n terms I can call it Sn, short form. S means sum, n means there are n terms. So how much terms are there? That many you'll put here, n divided by 2. First term I can call it A, last term I can call it L, simple. And then I bring them together, A plus L. So Sn is equal to n by 2 A plus L, and this is the formula for sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression. Now in the next video we will see on how to deal with geometric progression.